Hello friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'll be showing you two summer kitchen vignettes, one that was done on my dining table in the kitchen and the other on the island. Now this is the challenge that is hosted by Denise Jordan from the channel This and That with Denise Jordan and several other YouTubers. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos. I'd love to show you these two kitchen vignettes. So if you'd like to see them, then let's get started. First, let me say thanks to Denise for hosting this collab. And I'd suggest that you go over to Denise's channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like after you've watched the various videos. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. I'm so appreciative of your support. Now, let's go and see those two kitchen vignettes. Welcome to our kitchen. I'm so happy that you're able to join us today to see these two kitchen vignettes. I'll have the rules listed in the description box below for easy reference. Right now, let's go ahead and get started with two summer kitchen vignettes. On this tray on the dining table, I have a book, 101 Best Vegan Foods. This is one of the rules. There had to be something with words. Then I have this vase. I have these flowers. I also have this container that has some type of seasoning. So, and of course it's on a tray, which is one of the requirements because as you know, the real estate in the kitchen is very precious. So whatever we use we have to be able to move it along when we're ready to prepare or perhaps to have dinner or a meal at the table. So this is vignette number 1. Now let's take a look at vignette number 2. Vignette number 2 is on our island here. It's on a tray, of course. The tray is a see-through tray. Right below the tray, I have a placemat. It's a picture of Quebec, which of course is very pretty, but doesn't show very well here. But right on top of the tray, I have a cookbook, and the cookbook says, A Culinary Courses Journey. And it's one that I got on a trip a couple of years ago. So of course I have that cookbook there, and right on top of the cookbook I have this vase, and the vase has some rosemary, which we have a huge plant in the backyard, and I'll insert a picture of the rosemary plant in the backyard, of course. And then here we have as well a plate that says Wonderful Italy, or Italy Wonderful. So that's what is on this vignette number 2. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to hop over to both Denise and all the other participants, their channels, see the playlist, subscribe to the channels that you like, of course, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you, of course, next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.